everyone, Sid here back again with another tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to learn about how to get free SSL certificate using Cloudflare. Okay, I'm also explain you in this video minimum about server how you can get, and you can host website like WordPress, PHP, any HTML, whatever website you have, you can post in shared hosting. So you can check from the alpharapid.com is really great website. You can also put your website whatever you have, and very minimum amount of 369 rupees per year you can host your website. Only 369 rupees you can post, and whatever you want like host any website, you can just click on install WordPress and Drupal, any open cart you can install on this website also. And even you can get unlimited email something services also is there. And you can also install SSL certificate from using. Now you can check, this is a alpharapid.com. Okay, so now you can select whatever plan you want, like standard plan here 369 rupees per year, and pro plan 999 per year, and turbo plan also 2099 something. So now you can select whatever plan you want. And so now I'm going to client login. I have account already, so I'm going to log in. I have logged in right now. Now I am going to use my service. I have services. Okay, now you can click on the active. Once you enter on the alpharapid.com, you need to go cpanel. Click on the login to cpanel. Now you can check everything is perfect, fine, running perfect. And okay, I have one domain siddharthshukla.tk. Now in this domain not added anything like so I'm going to use Cloudflare, and we will add this domain into Cloudflare. Okay, so first step I will explain you everything. So you need to go, you need to also change new server. Okay, so I will explain you. So I'm going to inside of the Cloudflare. I have already account. Sorry, I am going to change my account. I'm going to inside of the my account. Once logged in, you need to add website. I click on add a site. Now add website, whatever domain you have. Okay, we have siddharthshukla.tk. I'm going to explain you related to this domain. Okay, now once this added, we need to change name server. Where is your domain all registered, you need to change your name server. Always you always think about it. Okay, so never forget to change of the name server. This is the first plan. I'm going to use free plan. Now we have something here. Now click on a record and comfort DNS active. So I'm going to change this one to this one. Okay, I'm going to inside of the I am going to inside of the my domain. Okay, this is domain. We going to add siddharthshukla.tk. Okay, click on manage domain, manage free nom DNS, edit name server. Click on name server 1, name server 2, once this done, you need to add done, check confirmations, then recheck. It will take little bit time, so you don't need to worry about. The first step, you need to change your name server, where is your domain is registered, and we will get domain. Second step is log into Cloudflare. After that, you need to add website. Once your website is added, you need to change the name server to your where is your domain register. Okay, so we will change domain name server. Once this is done, from the just wait little bit time, it will take. Okay, I'm going to check again. Now you can check, finally great news, Cloudflare is protecting your site. Okay, so this is done from Cloudflare. Now we going to again our siddharthshukla.tk. Now I'm going to add https. Yes, this is fine. Now you can check SSL certificate install. You can check. Hope so you can check, everything is done from my side also. And now if you have any doubt related to this video, please comment on comment section. Definitely I will try to resolve a query. Thank you for watching this video.